I hope you'll come to my open house. Watch my video, but this is a property you'll want to see in person. This spacious Gulffront condominium is simply breathtaking. Wake up every morning in your master suite to gorgeous water views and relaxing sounds of the ocean. Or just quietly sit on your large open balcony, enjoying drinks while you watch our gorgeous sunsets. At 1,770 square feet, this 2-bedroom, 2-bath residence has plenty of room to spread out and entertain guests. The Horizon House was the first building built on the Park Shore Beach. The Lutker Companies built this beachfront condominium on the southern edge of the Park Shore beachfront in 1972. This provides residents direct access to the Park Shore Homeowners Beach Walk. With only 6 residences per floor, this building offers benefits of high-rise with relatively low-density occupancy. 1 lease is permitted per year with a 90-day minimum. Boat slips are available for sale or lease across the street at the Venetian Bay Yacht Club. And just a little trek north on the Gulf Shore Boulevard is the Venetian Village Shopping and Dining. In addition to an on-site security and front desk check-in, some of the amenities at the Horizon House include an outdoor kitchen area, bike storage, kayak, paddle, and board storage, a game room complete with pool table, air hockey, and ping pong, a hobby room, a pool, community room, a fitness room, and a vehicle rinse area. The Horizon House offers stunning views of the Gulf of Mexico while sitting directly on the stand. Call me to discuss opportunities at buildings like the Horizon House.